Kia ora whānau, ko Luke tōku ingoa, they laugh, ko Luke tōku ingoa, my name is Luke, no Nuhaka, me Korongata, ngā mihi Korongata, no Korongata hoki.
And I'm his daughter.
Ko wai tō ingoa?
My name is Janine and I'm his daughter, and I came to the marae with him.
Aye. So we're here at our marae, Korongata, and we've just finished a pōwhiri, and we just wanted to...
We just wanted to make a channel because we wanted you to subscribe and like our channel.
Aye. So this is our introduction to all you fellas, and yeah, like I said, my name is Luke, this is Janine, and we're from Aotearoa, also known as New Zealand. And where do we live? Kei hera taunga e noho mātou.
Give me your phone, give me your phone.
Hang on, tauho. So we live in a place called Hastings in Hawke's Bay in New Zealand.
And we really want you to subscribe and like our channel because we're going to do a channel about Shopkins. We're going to have 1,000 Shopkins, then we're going to open them up.
No pressure, guys. So
My dad is being silly.
Yeah, so welcome to our channel, guys.